How can you tell if an Amazon PPC agency is truly strategic or just managing bits and basic stuff? So you cannot really tell if they are strategic or just managing stuff unless you tried out working with them. Why am I saying that? Is because I'm seeing in our industry, we are in marketing and people genuinely are going to BS their way just to close a deal with you, And this is the truth, right? So based on that, what I'm seeing or what I tested on my end, so I can give you my perspective as a brand owner who hired out specific skills and specific things, for our brand. Until you are trying it out, you are not going to see it. Why am I saying that? Is because, for example, even in our case, when we are helping out brands and we are seeing a clear path on how to make them successful, how to launch their product if they're launching a new product, how to increase their bottom profits, how to do all that. At the end, it's going to come down to, okay, we are implementing that, but then still Amazon is going to react in a certain way, or it can happen that listings are being taken down and then, okay, it's not the agency's fault, but literally Amazon just decided to suspend your listing. So technically during this time, just you are not able to test specific things. So when it comes down to this, I think you need to give it time to see if someone is truly strategic or not, and genuinely needs to give them an opportunity to prove that. Why am I saying that? Is because it's okay to also deliver basic tasks such as bid optimization, reporting, client communication. So all the basic needs that you would need in order to see, hey, actually someone else is taking care of my ads. I don't have to take care of them. But in the same time, I believe that also when it comes down to strategic, it's going to be important to see if once they see and understand your product, can they locate what is the biggest bottleneck and then help. Why am I saying this? Is because we just recently spoke with one of the larger brands that we're managing on Amazon, and it was coming down to, hey, Noemi, what are other strategies that we can implement in our ads? And keep in mind, these are for some time already our clients, so we are managing their brand for a while. And it was like, hey, you have X problem right now. If we're solving X problem, then we can think of, okay, let's increase now ad spend to see how it's going to work. And then it's when we can see our gaps and bottlenecks. And it was funny because they were also interviewing, or someone else from their team were interviewing other agencies as well. And they were promising these big things. Oh, okay, your listing images and so on and so forth. Like, we can improve so many things. I'm like, yes, and yet they have no clue on how your brand is performing on Amazon, on the niche that you're currently in. If we're doing this XYZ, implementing right now your listings, it's going to be suspended just because we already done all those things and we've gone through all those things and now we understand, So this is why I'm saying that it's going to be really, the proof is in the pudding. Try them out, see how they work. Again, don't be unrealistic. So if you set a goal commonly and you're saying, hey, we're not going to reach that goal, at least 1 to 2 months, 3 months even, I would give someone to see, hey, they are a good fit or not, especially when it comes down to they proved or they told you that they are going to be strategic.